Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tractor Supply Credit Card, TSC account access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar, type the official Tractor Supply Credit Card login site URL used by the card issuer. Press enter or go to load the sign-in page. Check that the page is secure by confirming the correct domain and the lock icon in the browser. Look for the Sign In or Account Login section on the page. Click or tap into the username field. Type your username exactly as you created it, paying attention to spelling and capitalization. Move to the password field by clicking or tapping it. Enter your password carefully, and remember passwords are case-sensitive. If available, use the Show Password option to confirm you typed it correctly. Make sure your caps lock key is turned off if your password uses lowercase letters. If you are using a public device, do not select Remember Me or Keep Me Signed In. Click or tap the Sign In or Login button to access your account. Wait a few seconds while your account dashboard loads. If you are asked for a verification code, choose your preferred method like SMS, email, or authenticator. Enter the verification code exactly as received, then submit it to continue. Once logged in, confirm you see your account overview, balance, and recent activity. To view your statement, find the Statements or Documents section in the menu. To make a payment, select Payments or Make a Payment and follow the prompts. Choose your payment amount, payment date, and funding method such as a bank account. Review the payment details carefully before submitting. Save or screenshot the confirmation page for your records if needed. If you forgot your username or password, click the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link. Enter the requested details like email, phone, or account information to verify your identity. Follow the reset instructions. Create a strong new password and store it securely. If the page will not load, try clearing your browser cache or switching to another browser. If login still fails, contact the card issuer's customer support using the number on the back of your card. After finishing, log out using the Sign Out option, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.